Welcome to the Workbench. I'm Doug. Today we're going to show you how easy it is for you to maintain your Baby Lock 8-thread sergers in between the yearly visits to your Baby Lock retailer. So we first want to begin by raising your presser foot lever and detaching your foot. Next, rotate your stitch length knob to rolled edge. What this will do is pull your stitch finger out of the way. Next, open your front doors and rotate your hand wheel on the side until your needles are down. This is going to give you access to a locking screw for a stud on the back of the needle plate. But because that's wedge shaped, you need to rotate about 4 or 5 revolutions. Once you loosen that set screw, rotate the hand wheel so that the needles are in its highest position. Then remove the Phillips screw in the front. Okay, at that point we can then open up your swing open door, lift straight up, and as you do, you see that the pin in the back will come up out of its position. So you can take that away and easily slide away your needle plate. Okay, next, with some canned air, making sure that you're not leaning or shaking and omitting that Freon spray, position the nozzle so that you'll be blowing out to the left to this open area, not into the machine. Then also when blowing out with compressed air, it helps to rotate the hand wheel at the same time. And that takes care of the lower half for us. But up on top you may get lint and fuzz that builds up within your tension mechanisms. So to clean that out, to ensure that you're getting proper pressure onto your threads, you want to raise and lower your presser foot lifter lever. When you do that, your disc will open, allowing you to remove any of that with some air. So I'll start from the chain needle tension and then move to your overlock. Once you've completed that, that's all there is to it. So to reassemble, we just want to take our needle plate, reattach it into position, add your positioning stud in the back. And what's nice about this positioning pin is that it's wedge shaped. That way when you tighten the screw down, the pin pulls the needle plate tight against the casting. On some other brand sergers, you may see that the screw in the back is just for positioning purposes. But then if you get lint and fuzz that builds up in between the rows of your teeth, that plate would come up and down, creating a lot of noise. So another thought process they put into play here. Okay, so I'm just temporarily putting that into place. And then I'll add the screw into the front. But I'm not going to tighten the screw in the front yet because we have a little adjustment here. So what I'm going to do is again rotate the hand wheel so needles come all the way down. Then I'm going to position the needle plate left and right to ensure that the needles are in the center of that opening. And then I'll secure that pin. And this will get us in the ballpark. Okay, and once I tighten the pin, I just want to double check, again, verify it's in the center. And then lock the screw into the front. Once you're complete, you can close your doors. If you're doing a 4-thread standard overlock, reposition your stitch length dial, close your door, and you're ready to go. But what you don't want is to let your machine get to look like this. Ah, kind of scary looking, isn't it? So now that you know, let's get your machine cleaned up so you can have successful stitching.